Menteri Lyngba ke Jylla ukon rat ke sangma minta ke sngi ke arpnyo tarik unaitung ula palat patba ya ke program ha ke Jylla ke balakot ke youth engagement through empowered youth organization Lyngba ke ni ke program kiseng Trei Sngewbha kiseng samla snong ki alumni association bapher kinyo Jingïarap pisa ke basilak tingka lada kiseng kidon kam Jingïarap haba pinya ya kinu ki jat program bat ai cimento ya ke imlang salang khamtam ya kina samla ha ke ni ke sngi lawan mencim bentalang dakat tu kat ni teli kiseng Trei Sngewbha kasenjuk kiseng samla snong ke clean sora campaign ke Meghalaya model United Nation lembat kiwei haba ai jingkran ha ke ni program Menteri Lyngba ulapan pau bag sarkar kapin i ya sibun teli ki jat program ai Jingïarap ya kina samla kum ke jingkentu ya ke sap ke phong ke bakidon bat ulaong bakan long kum ke distraction ya ki kina samla bakin lait na ke jing snio babunjat ha ke ni ke jom ulaong ru bahaka khat atrik unailar kabadai ru ke sngi rakhe jong ka World Youth Day on sa ai ningkong ya ki check na ke benta ban ai Jingïarap.
I would like to share with you the entire thought process, at least the thought process that went into why we are doing this and how come we are here today launching this very, very important program. As a government in 2018 when we took over, I realized that, of course, it's not that I realized at that moment, but I realized a lot of things about community participation in our state. And the fact that one of the biggest strengths that we have as a society, as a community, and as a state is a strength that lies in our traditional institutional networks and different social networks that have been created for many, many decades, and of course also through different organizations that have been created through women's group or through youth group and different organizations. So these institutional setups, as we call them, these social frameworks or networks that are there in the public, in society in general, is very critical, and the public also, whether it's a youth or women or traditional heads, they all depend, participate, and also listen to these different institutional setups that are there.